The LittleMachineShop.com HiTorque 6450 Mini Mill is the best in its class. It has the most power, torque, features, upgrades, and the largest table in its class. It is also proof that all mills are not the same. Most noticeable is the LED mirror display, which clearly and elegantly organizes and illuminates the key controls for the mill. It also comes equipped with a 3-axis DRO tablet display connected via Bluetooth to magnetic scales on the table and column. The DRO system is professionally installed and adjusted in the factory. Our exclusive version of the 6450 Mini Mill is ideal for all kinds of metalwork applications and tools. A 500-watt brushless spindle drive motor and belt drive provides tremendous power and low-end torque. There are no gears to shift, so no gears to break. NSK brand Japanese quality spindle bearings ensure smooth and quiet operation. This mill has a non-tilting solid dovetail column, which is significantly stiffer than the tilting columns on other mini mills. Drill press handles allow for controlled drilling and fast motion of the mill's head. An R8 spindle ensures wide tool availability. The large mill table provides 50% more table area than other mini mills. Aluminum hand wheels and resettable feed dials allow you to zero them at any point. At LittleMachineShop.com, we want to empower both professional machinists and hobbyists. The 6450 mill is manufactured by a world leader in metalworking machinery with over 30 years of experience producing some of the biggest tool brands in the world.